In this episode, leaders learn to convert silence into strategic leverage, turning pauses into signals of confidence and control. Nelson Mandela famously used measured silences in negotiations, letting opponents fill the space and revealing strength without words. Angela Merkel mastered listening pauses, buying time to align diverse voices, a technique that stabilized Europe during crises. Satya Nadella models quiet inquiry inside Microsoft, inviting questions, then delivering precise decisions that rally teams around a shared vision. The takeaway is practical. Practice intentional pauses before responses, read room dynamics, and let restraint sharpen your influence.